Is your Tesla Model 3's car alarm constantly blaring? Let's address the common culprits behind these false alarms. The primary reasons are overly sensitive Sentry Mode settings, intrusion detection triggered by non-threats, and alarm sensitivity levels set too high. We'll guide you through troubleshooting these issues to restore peace and quiet. Common culprits include overly sensitive Sentry Mode settings. Sentry Mode activates when parked and uses cameras and ultrasonic sensors to detect intrusions. However, if sensitivity is too high, it can trigger false alarms from minor disturbances like blowing leaves or passing shadows. Another issue is intrusion detection, triggered by non-threats. The system uses AI-powered image recognition to differentiate between threats and harmless objects, but it may misinterpret animals, vehicles, or environmental factors as intrusions. Finally, alarm sensitivity levels set too high can cause the system to respond aggressively to subtle movements. This increases false positives. Users can adjust sensitivity to low, medium, or high via the Tesla app or vehicle touchscreen. To troubleshoot, check for over-the-air software updates, customize settings in the app, and consider calibrating sensors at a Tesla service center if problems continue. This should help reduce false alarms and improve your driving experience. The Tesla Model 3 features Sentry Mode, a powerful security system that activates automatically when the vehicle is locked and parked. This mode uses the car's external cameras and ultrasonic sensors to monitor the surroundings for any potential threats. Sentry Mode continuously monitors for motion using the vehicle's cameras. When any movement is detected near the car, it automatically begins recording short video clips. These recordings can last up to 10 minutes and are stored securely in the vehicle's system. At the heart of Sentry Mode is advanced artificial intelligence that processes the camera footage in real time. This AI system is trained to recognize and differentiate between actual security threats, like people or animals approaching the vehicle, and benign environmental factors, such as wind-blown leaves or shadows. Despite the sophisticated AI technology, Sentry Mode sensitivity settings can occasionally be triggered by everyday occurrences that pose no real threat. Things like distant traffic, wildlife, or even weather-related movements can sometimes activate the system, leading to unnecessary recordings or alerts. To address these sensitivity issues, Tesla provides customizable settings that allow owners to adjust how aggressively Sentry Mode responds to detected motion. These options are accessible through the vehicle's touchscreen interface or the Tesla mobile app, giving users control over when and how the system activates. You can adjust the alarm sensitivity directly from your Tesla's touchscreen or through the Tesla mobile app. This helps customize how your vehicle responds to potential threats. The options are usually low, medium, and high. Each level affects how sensitive the system is to motion detection. Low sensitivity reduces false alarms from minor disturbances like wind or distant traffic. Medium provides a balanced approach. High sensitivity detects even subtle movements but may trigger more often. Don't set it too low or you risk missing actual intrusions. Consider disabling Sentry Mode at home for added convenience. A great feature of Tesla's alarm system is geofencing. This allows you to set specific locations, like your home garage or a parking lot, where Sentry Mode is automatically disabled. This customization is accessible via the Tesla app under the security settings. Here you can see the app interface showing Sentry Mode options. You can set geofence zones to exclude specific places like your home or work, preventing unnecessary alarms in these safe areas. On the vehicle's touchscreen, you can also configure these settings, including options to exclude home, work, and favorite locations. By using geofencing, you ensure Sentry Mode only activates where it's needed, reducing false alarms and maintaining peace of mind. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that refine alarm system performance. The V13.0 series, released late 2025, includes improved motion detection algorithms and environmental filters that reduce false positives by up to 40%. This update allows users to customize alarm sensitivity levels directly via the Tesla app or touchscreen, with options to set geofenced zones where Sentry Mode can be disabled. A January 2026 patch v13.0.2 incorporates better environmental filters for extreme weather conditions like heavy rain or wind. To ensure optimal performance, keep your Tesla updated with the latest software. Check your Tesla mobile app for available updates. Extreme weather conditions, such as heavy rain or strong winds, can still trigger false alarms on your Tesla Model 3. These environmental factors can be mistaken for potential intrusions by the system's sensors. To address this, Tesla released the v13.2 patch in January 2026, which incorporates better environmental filters. These filters help the system distinguish between actual threats and weather-related disturbances, reducing false alarms by improving motion detection algorithms. A notable example occurred during Hurricane Ida in 2024, where multiple Model 3 owners in the Southeast experienced continuous false alarms from wind-blown debris. Tesla's V12.5 patch introduced weather filters that resolved 80% of these cases, according to surveys. If false alarms continue even after installing the latest patch, consider temporarily disabling Sentry Mode during severe weather events. You can do this through the Tesla mobile app or the vehicle's touchscreen by accessing the security settings. If false alarms continue despite adjusting settings and updating software, sensor calibration may be necessary. You can attempt calibration through the service mode on your Tesla. Schedule a service appointment with Tesla service centers for professional assistance. Faulty sensors can lead to erratic alarm behavior. Tesla's alarm technology is continuously evolving, with AI-driven enhancements that learn from user feedback to reduce false alarms by 30 to 50%. However, be aware of the privacy implications of constant recording and data sharing, which raises concerns about surveillance. To protect your privacy while maximizing security, regularly check Tesla's data policies and use opt-in consent settings. Future trends include integration with autopilot and partnerships with home security systems by 2027, balancing advanced security with user privacy.